Cardano value sort of equivalent to $0.3659 a coin in a very significant manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.3548 0.3734 in an unpretentious way. The earlier day close, 0.3637, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The change truly was plus 0.0022, plus 0.60%, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Backwards rate, USD to ADA, or so they sort of thought. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which generally is genuinely huge. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.36. By and large greatest 0.39, beautiful least 0.33, which generally is very critical. Cardano figure on Friday, May 12, cost $0.35, really most extreme 0.37, genuinely least 0.33, which truly is very critical. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $0.35, lovely most extreme 0.37, exceptionally least 0.33 in an unpretentious way. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.34, especially most extreme 0.36, in every practical sense, least 0.32 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.35, lovely most extreme 0.37, genuinely least 0.33 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano gauge on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.34, in every practical sense, greatest 0.36, genuinely least 0.32, showing how Cardano figure on Friday, May 12, cost $0.35, beautiful most extreme 0.37, least 0.33, which especially is very huge. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, May 19, cost $0.34, sort of greatest 0.36, least 0.32, exhibiting that the change in a real sense was plus 0.0022, plus 0.60%, which essentially is very huge. Cardano estimate on Monday, May 22, cost $0.34, genuinely greatest 0.36, least 0.32 in a quite large way. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.33, most certainly greatest 0.35, by and large least 0.31, exhibiting that today, S exchange cost range, 0.3548 0.3734 in a truly significant way. In about 14 days Cardano figure on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.32, fundamentally greatest 0.34, certainly least 0.30 in an essentially significant way. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.32, essentially most extreme 0.34, kind of least 0.30 in a by and large huge manner. Cardano gauge on Friday, May 26, cost $0.32, greatest 0.34, by and large least 0.30, which fundamentally is very huge. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost $0.33, kind of most extreme 0.35, really least 0.31 in a fundamentally significant way. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.34, most extreme 0.36, by and large least 0.32 in a very significant manner. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.35, greatest 0.37, least 0.33 in a genuinely huge way. Cardano estimate on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.35, for the most part greatest 0.37, exceptionally least 0.33 in an unpretentious way. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost $0.34, most extreme 0.36, least 0.32, which basically is genuinely huge. Cardano gauge on Monday, June 5, cost $0.35, most extreme 0.37, truly least 0.33. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.33, kind of most extreme 0.35, exceptionally least 0.31 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month Cardano gauge on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.32, genuinely greatest 0.34, especially least 0.30, which truly is genuinely critical. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.30, especially greatest 0.32, for the most part least 0.28, which truly is very huge. Cardano conjecture on Friday, June 9, cost $0.31, truly most extreme 0.33, beautiful least 0.29, which truly is very huge. USD to ADA swapping scale truly equivalent to 2.7330 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. Today, S-reach 2.6781-2.8185 in an especially large way. The past day, S nearby 2.7495, exhibiting how Cardano estimate on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.34, especially greatest 0.36. Sort of least 0.32 in every way that really matters, significant way. Change for now 0.0165, 0.60%, which by and large is very critical. USD to ADA cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future in month, exhibiting how the change generally was plus 0.0022, plus 0.60%, which basically is genuinely huge. Dollar to Cardano figure on Thursday, May 11, cost 2.778 coins, essentially greatest 3.030, least 2.564, which truly is very huge. USD to ADA expectation on Friday, May 12, cost 2.857 coins, genuinely greatest 3.030, especially least 2.703, which generally shows that USD to ADA swapping scale kind of equivalent to 2.7330 coins per $1, which fundamentally is very huge. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Monday, May 15, cost 2.857 coins, genuinely greatest 3.030, for the most part least 2.703. USD to ADA expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost 2.941 coins, exceptionally most extreme 3.125, sort of least 2.778, which truly shows that Cardano value kind of equivalent to $0.3659 a coin, which is very critical. In multi-week dollar to Cardano estimate on Wednesday, May 17, cost 2.857 coins, greatest 3.030, truly least 2.703, or so they thought. USD to ADA expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost 2.941 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 3.125, genuinely least 2.778, exhibiting that the past day, S nearby 2.7495, showing how Cardano gauge on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.34, truly most extreme 0.36, kind of least 0.32, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Friday, May 19, cost 2.941 coins, beautiful most extreme 3.125, sort of least 2.778, which really is genuinely critical. USD to ADA expectation on Monday, May 22, cost 2.941 coins, certainly greatest 3.125, especially least 2.778, so Cardano value kind of equivalent to $0.3659 a coin, which generally is very critical. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Tuesday, May 23, cost 3.030 coins, certainly most extreme 3.226. Sort of least 2.857, exhibiting how in multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.35, exceptionally greatest 0.3